Choppers Rule 1 here. Well, I got the sleigh back together. Me and the shop supervisor have been out here. She's been inspecting my work, make sure it's all right. Is it all good? It is. Are you sure? Okay, well, I guess it's okay then. So yeah, got the sleigh back together. I've got double the horsepower now, or reindeer power. So I'll get all that then buttoned up and secured down. And then I've got to find all the lights for it. I have no idea where everything has gone. I couldn't even find the bolts to bolt the sleigh down. I had to find another ones in my stash. So I've still got to find all the lights for it yet. The lights on the sleigh are still there, so that's still cool. The other thing I'll be mucking around with is the little red wagon's done. I've got the handlebars on it up there. They're all the new bars and new grips. So I've got all that set on there. I've got a new set of wheels here. Not sure if I'm going to put them on there yet, but I'll see how I go. The shop supervisor's just getting set up. I'm assuming she's going to inspect my work up on the bench. So we'll see how we go. But I've had a bit of a clean up in here now, guys. I've got a lot more room. Yeah, I've had a bit more of a clean up. As long as you put things together and start putting stuff away, a lot more room. So that'll do. I've got to get rid of some of this stuff here. My camping box needs a coat of paint and some toolboxes need to be put away, but at least I've got a lot more room around the workbench now. So that's sort of about it. I'm getting ready. I mean, I know it's not Christmas, it's only Father's Day today. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers and out there and all the mums doing the daddy duty. You guys all rock. So that's it, guys. As soon as I can find some more stuff. Oh, she's got to do an inspection, have you? Is it all good? Hey, is it okay? Everything's up to your standard? You got to check it out under there. All right. Everything good? Oh, it's all good. Okay. All right. Well, the supervisor says it's all good. All right. We go find Nang Nang? Hey? All right.
Mum?
Yeah, and Mum. All right. We'll go find Mum too. All right, guys. Bye for now.